Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pause and stop challenge video step by step. I'll give something special for Android users that will be lifetime free, no charges, no watermarks. So pay close attention and watch carefully. Step 1. Open PixArt. First, you need to open PixArt. If you don't have it, don't worry, I'll show you later where you can download it for free. It won't ask for any watermark or premium subscription. Open PixArt, click Edit a Photo, then click Background, and select Transparent Background. Now we need to fix the canvas size according to YouTube Shorts or Reels. Go to Tools, then Crop, then 16 by 9. Double-click to confirm. This will make your canvas ready for YouTube or Instagram format, so all animations fit properly. Next, click Stickers and search for the character you want. For example, I am searching for Ronaldo. If your app shows premium stickers, don't worry, I'll show you how to get everything free in the next steps. Select your preferred character. Now we need a background for the character, so search for ground and add it. Adjust the layer order. Ground should be at the bottom, then the character above it. Add shadow to make it look more realistic. After that, let's add sky for a more creative and unique look. This will make your video stand out. Always remember the order of layers: background, bottom, ground, above background, character/stickers, above ground, extra objects, above character. Now let's add extra elements to grab viewers' attention. For example, search Trophy in Stickers. Add a FIFA trophy in the middle. Add 2 smaller trophies on the sides. Adjust size and position so it looks professional. Tip: you can make it even more unique by adding more objects according to your creativity. After you've arranged everything, select one image, hide the rest, and download as PNG. Unhide the next and repeat. This way, you will have all separate assets ready for animation. You can use KineMaster or CapCut. Both have unique features. KineMaster has some tools CapCut doesn't have. CapCut has some features KineMaster doesn't have. Don't worry if you are new, I'll explain everything from the basics. I'm using KineMaster because it's completely free with no watermark and you can use every feature. Click Media, import the sky image you downloaded from PixArt. Adjust the duration based on your preference. Now select Elements and pan and zoom. Zoom the sky with 2 fingers, move it to one side, copy the second option, flip it, and position it on the other side. This way, you'll have moving animation for the sky without downloading a video file. Import Ronaldo and ground images. If adjusting is difficult, double-click on the image, it will automatically fit. Adjust the trophies individually. Select a trophy, click Adjustment, then Settings. If your background is black, adjust settings accordingly. If your background is white, flip the settings. Tip: make sure all layers are properly aligned to look realistic. Now we animate objects like trophies. Select the main trophy with 3 elements. Go to the middle frame and add a keyframe. Go to the first frame, then add a keyframe. Now adjust the motion. First keyframe, move the trophy off-screen to the left. Go to the last frame and add a keyframe. Last keyframe, move it to the off-screen to the right. This creates a smooth moving effect. Tip: if you want faster movement, shorten the keyframe duration, duplicate the section, and adjust positions again. Once you're satisfied, click Export, select Resolution, Save Video. Your pause and stop challenge video is ready. Tip: KineMaster has many free premium effects, so your video can look professional without paying a single rupee. Step 11. Free Tools Download. I've shared KineMaster and PixArt download links in my description and on my Telegram channel. You can download lifetime free versions without any watermark. This is especially for Android users. Make sure you download and try it. It's completely safe. So that's it. You now know exactly how to make a pause and stop challenge video step by step. If you watch till the end, comment below. I have a special free surprise that no one else shares just for viewers like you. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.